Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Irene, and in today's video I wanted to do a really quick video unboxing a new handbag I just got today. So it's in this bright orange box, so I'm sure you guys know what brand it is already, but I wanted to get on here and film a quick unboxing because I want to get straight into using her as soon as possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So here is the shopping bag that my new bag has come in. It didn't come in the holiday packaging, but not like I really care. Let's take this out and take a look at it. I haven't seen it yet. I literally just got home and I said I had to film this first before I can actually take it out of the box and actually look at it and use it. So it's got the beautiful ribboning, and I think my essay also gave me 3 perfume samples. Let's get straight into opening this guy. So, I wonder if I can just shimmy this off because I can never tie this back up if I were to undo the button. Okay, not the button, the ribbon. Okay, this bag was, it's actually a partial push present from my husband because I guess here's the announcement. I am pregnant. I am expecting. I am currently 5 months, and I mean, if you didn't really look at my belly, you wouldn't be able to tell, but I guess that's my surprise announcement. Oh my god, I'm awful at this, but I didn't know how else to come on here and announce it onto YouTube. It's not even anything I really announced in my whole personal life really that well on Instagram or anything like that. So, but yeah, so this is my partial push present, and the reason why I say partial is because I've been given other things as well. So if you're interested to see what I've been given as part of my overall push present, let me know. Maybe I will create a video sharing that with you guys, I mean. But oh my goodness, this is red tissue paper, which must be new for the holiday season. Beautiful. And opening it up, it looks like this. So let's just take it out of the box. Alright, so here is the bag, and it's a dust bag. Can you guess what it is based on the size and shape of the dust bag? Because it is a very practical bag in my opinion. I think that this one will come in very useful and handy after having a baby. And it is the Pochette Matisse in the black Empreinte leather. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's obviously a very highly popular bag in Louis Vuitton, but I never really thought much about it, and I've tried on the monogram version in store years ago, and I remember not liking it very much. Maybe it was the fact that it was monogram, I don't know. I have a bunch of their monogram pieces, so, but for some reason it just didn't speak to me, and I was looking at bags again, and I thought, hey, this could be a pretty good option for like being able to carry loads, because it's known to be able to carry lots of stuff. Inside it's got 3 compartments that are all very healthy sized compartments, and it's also lined with like this striped, I don't know, canvasy, I don't know what material exactly it is, some sort of cloth material. I tried it on today and they had one in the store that I was at. So I thought I'd try it on and see how it would like work on me, and I actually ended up liking it so much more than the original monogram version that I tried on years ago. I just think it's great, and this is cowhide leather, and so it's so pretty, and I think it's gonna work really well as like a casual mom bag, I guess. So because it does have a top handle right here, which is so cute, and then it comes with an adjustable leather strap, which I also really like. These 2 things in combination, the leather strap, it is more like, it doesn't adjust to like a really short length. So for my frame, I'm 5'4", it is like a little bit long on me when I'm wearing it on one shoulder. Like it just hits slightly longer. If it was like maybe 2 inches shorter, it would be perfect on my length, on my height, but it's perfect for a crossbody for sure. And I can definitely still wear it as a shoulder bag, but I think that in the future, once I have my baby, I think that I will want something a little bit more hands-free, so I can, you know, push my stroller and wear this as a crossbody and be able to hold the baby. And so I think all in all, I think this is gonna be such a good bag for me to wear. I know for a fact that most of my bags in my luxury handbag collection, they are all quite small. They're not very mom friendly, child friendly. And so I was thinking about what I could possibly add to my collection to make it so that it's a usable, everyday, functional bag that doesn't require a lot of babying and taking care of. And I think this is just the perfect bag for it. It's got this, like I said, cowhide Empreinte leather, and it's very tough. And I just think it's perfect. It has this huge zipper compartment in the back here that can put things in. And again, the top handle just makes it so easy to use. And I just think that, like, imagine carrying a baby, opening the bag, be able to see everything that's inside, not worrying about fussing with anything. And you know, some bags are really nice because I was actually debating between this bag and the cushion looking bag, which is, mind you, like double the price. It's beautiful, also black in the PM size, which is similar in size as this. But the thing is, it's just so expensive. And as beautiful as it is, it's lambskin. It's also leather lined, which, you know, it is good in the sense that you're getting more bang for your buck for leather. But I was thinking about it, and if I'm reaching in and out, especially like with my rings and potentially nails, I don't want to be worried about scratching the interior leather lining of a bag as well, whereas this is all like fabric lined, so it's also very carefree in that sense. And I'm personally not worried about spilling and things like that, or ink or stuff like that in my bag, because I keep all of my knickknacks, small like sanitizers and things like that, in their own little cosmetic pouches. So it's not something that I'm really overly concerned about, and it never has been a worry of mine for any of my other bags. I don't see why it would start now. So I think that this bag is going to be a really good addition to my handbag collection. And honestly, I'm just thinking that this might be one of my last times that I can really like buy a bag on impulse without having to think too much about it. I literally walked into the Louis Vuitton store today thinking I was gonna look at the large agenda cover because I have the PM, the MM, but I was looking at the large one, but they don't have it. Ended up looking around in the store and they had so much stock today, and obviously found this guy, and I just love it. I think it's such a good classic bag, such a good size, and it's gonna be definitely a bigger bag, even though it's not even a big bag. But for me, it's definitely big in comparison to all my other bags. The other bags that I have in my collection, the two largest ones is the Celine luggage, which is, I think, is the nano size. And we all know that the Celine luggage, if you don't know what it looks like, it's got this belt across it, and it's really a pain to open and close, let alone trying to do that with a toddler or a child. So that's obviously not gonna work. And then the next one would be my Speedy Bee 25, and that one is nice, but it's brown in the damier bean print. Obviously a different color choice, and it's a little bit clunky as well. So this one lies like flatter against the body, the silhouette of it, and I just think it's so nice. But yeah, this is my quick unboxing video. I will be posting, well, filming and posting an updated handbag collection video very soon because it is the month of December and I need to get on that ASAP. Stay tuned for that, and let me know if you guys are interested to see like mod shots and stuff, like really just making a quick unboxing today. I'm not going to do mod shots and stuff like that today, but I will probably be doing a review of this bag with more full details later on. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. But yes, thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick video unboxing. Yeah, I haven't been on here because I've been busy with life, taking care of all the things that I need to take care of on top of work. So please forgive me. I will try to get better with being more regular with filming and uploading. But in the meantime, I hope you guys are staying safe and doing well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!